Meet Sentinel, AI-powered code review now in beta. Most AI review tools flood you with noise, the real bugs buried. Install Sentinel as a GitHub app. Every pull request gets reviewed automatically, with inline comments on the exact lines that matter. Sentinel knows your stack: React, Node, TypeScript APIs, the right rule set for every file automatically. Review files in VS Code before you push. No tab switching, no pull request needed. Instant feedback. Only flags issues it can prove are real. 70% confidence threshold. Zero noise. Your code is never stored. Grok, OpenAI, or Anthropic. Switch providers in one click, no lock-in. Sentinel Beta is live. 50 free reviews a month. No credit card. Sign in with GitHub and start today.